Teensy, you need to go outside. Don't need to be involved in it. Be careful, Ivy. Be careful. Meow. Kiki, 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 meow. Meow. There's some lovin's going on this morning. They've been playing, and I thought you might want to see it. They're just being real sweet right now. Let's see here. Okay, now. All right, put her down. Ivy. Ivy, put her down. Here comes Destiny. All right, now. Be good. Be nice. Kitty's being crazy, so this is what she does whenever she wants them to play with her, and instead of running through the house, she acts like this. Just like, get my tail. There's my tail. All right, now, be nice. Be easy. Easy. Be easy. Always, always. Okay? Alright. A good girl. I love you. No, 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 no. Well, if the cat was uncomfortable, she'd get up and leave. As soon as it happens that she lets go, and she's like, meow. Now she wants some more. I get on to them like they're doing real bad every time they put their teeth on them, and it keeps them sweet, and they grow up and like Eclipse. He loves them all. He's been raised around kitty cats since he was born. Sarah had cats before he came here, and he was only with her for a few weeks. So, and then he's been here with me for the whole rest of his life, and he's always had cats, and he's never hurt anybody, never draw blood on any of them. Not once. Now everybody's coming in. They're like, well, there's a conversation going on about it. Alright, now. Everybody out. Everybody out. Go outside. Go outside. See, there she goes. Now she's like, oh, I just can't. I knew that would happen, though. Alright, y'all. Everybody out except her. Go on, leave Ivy alone. Ivy's playing. She's having a special time. Nope, Ivy's going too. Okay, well, that's the way it goes. Sorry the house is a mess. This is what happens when you live with a bunch of animals.